Are you tired of taking diabetes medication over and over again? Do you want to be free from insulin injections? If you also want freedom from your medications, then this video is especially for you. If I told you that with a few small precautions, a few simple methods and a few special tips, you can control your sugar, would you believe it? And that's not all. In today's video, I am also going to share with you drinks that will not only control sugar but can also save you from the cycle of medication. But be careful, the last drink I will tell you about is the most effective and is truly a blessing for diabetics. Friends, you will be surprised to know that 1 in every 10 people in the UK and USA is a diabetic. But the good news is that diabetes can be controlled naturally, and you can reduce your dependence on medication. Part 1. What is diabetes and how common is it? Diabetes is actually a blood sugar disease, in which your body's insulin stops working properly. And did you know? Almost 1 in 10 people in the UK and USA suffer from diabetes. It is not just a disease of old age, but nowadays young people are also affected by it. Part 2. Why does diabetes happen? The main reasons for this are eating too much fast food and junk food, a sedentary lifestyle, being overweight, stress and lack of sleep. When all these things come together, the insulin in your body becomes weak and sugar starts to rise. Part 3. Symptoms of diabetes. If you are feeling thirsty frequently, urinating more, losing weight rapidly, or wounds that take a long time to heal, these are all symptoms of diabetes. Disadvantages of diabetes. 1. Heart disease. People with diabetes are at higher risk of heart attack and high blood pressure than the general population. 2. Kidney damage. Sugar damages the small blood vessels in the kidneys over time, which increases the risk of kidney failure. 3. Reduced vision. Sugar affects the retina, which can reduce vision or even lead to blindness. 4. Nerve damage, neuropathy. Numbness, tingling, or pain in the hands and feet are common in diabetics. 5. Slow healing of wounds. Sugar causes poor blood circulation, which takes a long time for wounds to heal. 6. Foot problems, diabetic foot. The risk of infection and sores in the feet increases, and even scissors may have to be used if a cut occurs. 7. Getting infections easily. People with diabetes have a weakened immune system, which makes them susceptible to infections. 8. Mental effects. If sugar is not controlled for a long time, memory can be impaired and the risk of depression or stroke also increases. If diabetes is controlled with diet, exercise, and medicine, these damages can be prevented to a large extent. A healthy diet plays the most important role in controlling diabetes. Try to include more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. These things not only balance blood sugar but also provide your body with essential vitamins and fiber. Avoid junk food, sweets, white flour, rice, and fried foods. Especially cold drinks and marketed juices are high in sugar, so avoid them. The second thing is exercise. Daily physical activity is no less than medicine for a diabetic patient. When you walk, cycle, or do light exercise like yoga, your body's insulin starts working better and blood sugar naturally decreases. Try to exercise for at least 30 minutes every day. If you have less time, make it a habit to walk briskly. The third thing is weight management. Being overweight or obese makes diabetes more dangerous. But the good news is that if you lose just 5 to 7% of your weight, your sugar control can improve significantly. You don't need a crash diet to lose weight, you can gradually achieve a healthy weight with just a balanced diet and exercise. The fourth thing is to drink water, hydration. Most people ignore the importance of drinking water. But the fact is that drinking more water helps to remove excess sugar from the body and prevents dehydration. Try to drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water a day. The fifth thing is sleep, proper sleep. Sleeping less or waking up at the wrong time can worsen blood sugar levels. When your body is tired, insulin does not work properly. Therefore, it is important that you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day so that both the body and the mind remain refreshed. The sixth thing is stress management. Mental stress also plays a big role in increasing diabetes. When you are stressed, the body produces more sugar. So find ways to relax in your life. Yoga, meditation, breathing exercises, or a light walk are great for your mental peace. Now I'm going to tell you about 5 such drinks for diabetes, which will not only control your sugar but can also help you get rid of your dependence on medication perfectly. Effect of apple cider vinegar on sugar. 1. Improves insulin sensitivity. Apple cider vinegar does not allow blood sugar to rise suddenly after eating. 2. Reduces the effect of carbohydrates. It slowly converts carbohydrates into sugar, which keeps sugar levels under control. 3. Controls blood sugar levels, especially after meals and at night. Sugar balance is maintained. 4. Feels full. It helps in weight loss, and weight loss also improves diabetes. How to use? The easiest way. Take a glass of lukewarm water. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to it. Drink it 20 to 30 minutes before meals. Before going to bed at night. Drink 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Caution. Do not drink large quantities on an empty stomach. A maximum of 2 tablespoons a day is sufficient. If you have stomach or ulcer problems, be sure to consult a doctor. Why is lemon and ginger water good for diabetes? 1. Lemon. Rich in vitamin C, which improves the efficiency of insulin in the body. The citric acid present in it controls sugar spikes. Helps in weight loss, which is very important for diabetics. 2. Ginger. Ginger increases insulin sensitivity, meaning the body uses insulin more effectively. It has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation in the body. Helps in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. How to make? Ingredients. A glass of lukewarm water. Juice of half a lemon. 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger, finely chopped or grated. How to make? 1. Heat the water slightly, not boiling. 2. Add ginger and cover for 5 minutes so that its flavor and ingredients can infuse into the water. 3. Finally, add lemon juice and mix well. How to use? Drinking a glass on an empty stomach in the morning is most beneficial. Once a day is enough, no need to use more. Consistency is important, drink daily or at least 4 to 5 days a week. Caution. If someone has high acidity in the stomach, then add less lemon. Large amounts of ginger can upset the stomach, so only 1 to 2 inches is enough. Cinnamon water. Makes insulin effective. Cinnamon improves the efficiency of insulin, which allows the sugar in the blood to be absorbed into the cells more quickly. 2. Reduces blood sugar levels. According to research, daily use of cinnamon can reduce both fasting blood sugar and HbA1c. 3. Reduces the effect of carbohydrates. It prevents sugar from increasing too much after eating. 4. Antioxidant properties. Reduces inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for diabetic patients. 5. Helps in cholesterol and weight loss. With weight and cholesterol control, sugar also remains balanced. How should diabetic patients use cinnamon? 1. Cinnamon water. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to a glass of water at night. Drink that water on an empty stomach in the morning. 2. Cinnamon tea. Boil a cup of water. Add a piece of cinnamon or half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to it and boil it for 5 minutes. Drink it lukewarm. 3. With food. You can use cinnamon powder by sprinkling it on food or porridge, oats, yogurt, or vegetables. Caution. A maximum of half to 1 teaspoon, 3 to 5 grams, per day is enough. Seeds. 1. Control blood sugar. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which absorbs sugar slowly into the blood after eating. This prevents sugar spikes. 2. Improve insulin sensitivity. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that help the body respond better to insulin. 3. Helps in weight loss. Since they keep the stomach full for a long time, the habit of overeating is reduced, which is very important for diabetic patients. Beneficial for the heart. Diabetic patients have a high risk of heart attack. Chia seeds are also very good for the heart. How to use chia seeds? 1. Chia water. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to 1 glass of water and soak for 30 minutes. You can drink it in the morning on an empty stomach or after eating. 2. With lemon. Soak chia seeds in water and add lemon juice to it. This is an excellent detox drink that helps in sugar control. 3. In smoothies or yogurt. Use it mixed in smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Caution. Do not consume more than 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. Excessive consumption may cause gas or constipation. Fenugreek water. Fenugreek seeds contain fiber and compounds that improve the efficiency of insulin in the body. It helps in maintaining normal blood sugar levels. It improves digestion and does not allow blood sugar to rise rapidly after eating. Fenugreek seeds remove toxins from the body and also help in weight loss, which is very beneficial for diabetic patients. How to make fenugreek seeds water. 1. Take 1 or 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds at night. 2. Soak it in a glass of water. 3. Soak it overnight. 4. Drink that water on an empty stomach in the morning, and if you want, you can also chew the seeds. Correct way to use. It is most effective to drink this water on an empty stomach every morning. A clear difference will be felt after 1 to 2 months of continuous use. Diabetic patients should consult their doctor before starting this treatment, as it is not a substitute for diabetes medications but a natural support. Fenugreek water is a natural blessing for diabetic patients. If following these natural tips, you can take control of your blood sugar and move towards a healthier, medicine-free life. Friends, I hope today's video was useful for you. If you liked this information, don't forget to like and share the video, and yes, be sure to press the subscribe button so that every new video we come up with reaches you first. Stay healthy, stay happy, see you in the next video. Until then, God bless.